Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can put the image of the person when you receive a call or when you dial to that person. You can put the picture or the photo of the person here when you're dialing. So this is easy and there is no need to install any other app. Just within the default app only you will have this option. So what you can do in order to uh, put an image like this, first of all let me disconnect the call and I'll clear this. So on your phone dialer app, the default one, okay, no need to install any app. This is the Google dialer or the default dialer which comes up with your phone. Okay, open this, just tap on this, and here at the top left you will see this three bars here. Okay, tap on this, and here you will find the option called settings. Tap on the settings, and under settings you'll see something like calling card. Tap on this, and now you need to click on this create option. Okay, continue. Sorry, click on this add instead of create. Click on the add, and now you can choose something like the contact. Okay, now here the contact is selected, right? Now you can open the gallery and choose whichever the picture you like. Say for example, I'm choosing this picture. Click on done. So this is the preview when you call or when you receive the call. This picture will be appearing. So at the top you'll see something like done here. Click on this done. So whenever you're trying to call that person, for that person once. See here. Now when you're dialing this background image, just imagine this is the photo of that person or whatever the photo you are interested, you can keep when you receive, when you dial. This is going to happen. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.